Hi friends, we're here at the bins, and that's the Goodwill Bins, and I wanted to just go ahead and show you what I got as we're loading it in the car. And is it worth shopping and going through bins of stuff until you find something good? I don't know, you tell me. We spent a total of $38, and so I won't be giving you individual prices. But we also have in the back, I bought a solid wood small bookshelf for $3. And then I bought this shabby chic line shower curtain. And it's really pretty floral for my house, but either I'll give it to my daughter to use, or I will use the material for like some spring little shirts for either my granddaughter or myself. The next thing I got is I actually found some more fabric, and this is a good 2 or 3, maybe even more yards of fabric. It's a yellow with a blue toile on that. And I found a 7 Brew hat, which is a local coffee place here. And all of these, I can wash that up in hot water and it'll be good to go. And then I found a shirt from Express for my son. And all their clothing is like $1.39 a pound, I believe. And then I found, just like still with the tags on, this scarf, and it just looked really comfy. Oh, there's traffic, sorry about that. And then I found the cutest little Cat and Jack, which is Target, I believe, and that is for my grandson. And I found a bunch of clothes. And I found a couple pair of jeans. One pair are J. Crew, and of course I didn't try them on, but we'll see. If they don't fit, I can pass them on to somebody else, and maybe they cost 50 cents. Then I found these 3 curtain panels, or no, there were 4, which I absolutely love the print on them. It's like just a creamy brown, and it's got the little curtain ring things on the back. I wanted them for my living room actually, but 4 is not enough, so I'm gonna find somewhere for them because they're super cute and they're lined. And then I found these. I thought they were so cute. I don't know if I'll use them, but I'm already thinking spring picnics, spring outside on the deck. There were 3 of them. There's one in the smaller size, and I could always take this netting stuff off and use these as wall baskets or something, but I think they're so cute. It's like a tulle netting. And then there were 2 this bigger size. And how cute to keep your bugs off of your food that you're bringing outside. Next thing is this nice vintage frame. I'm always looking for these that are made out of like the nicer molding. Sorry about that sun. But this is just a nice size. It's just chunky, nice wood. So I'll find something to do with that. Another sort of wintry, cute scarf. Let me show you that. It's just got a really nice texture on it, and it looks like new. It looks like really it wasn't even worn. I found this scarf, tassels on it, and it's really long. And it's a variation of red and green. It's more of almost an orangey red, burgundy red, and green. I found this really unusual stool, and I'm needing some more like little plant stools. So it goes together like so. And so it's collapsible. And I'm going to paint it, of course, and put a plant on it. Then I found this bamboo tray, and it needs a little sanding. I tell you what, I wouldn't have grabbed it if I didn't already have some things that I was going to be sanding. So I'm going to sand that down, and I'm going to use some Rub and Buff gold on the handles, and I think it'll be really pretty. I was really surprised that I found these wooden Christmas trees, and I really like these.
Does it say made in India?
It says made in India on them. I thought they were super cute. So those are a great find. And then Rob found and we're hoping it works. And the rest are books. We found all kinds of vintage books. Dickens. Found some really cool looking orange. Baptist hymnal. A lot of just neat books that will probably show up on the Etsy. So you'll be able to see them more there. But got some beautiful colors, some great vintage, and some really neat subject matters too. Nightmare in Dublin. I don't know what that could be. And there's another little Where the Red Fern Grows. That one's cute. Okay, so friends, I hope you enjoyed that haul. It was quick, and let me know if you've ever shopped at the Goodwill Bins and if you're going to look for one close by. I have a viewer, Shara, and she's local, and she's the one that actually even told me about the bins. So hi Shara, and thanks for letting me know. And you can follow her over on Instagram. She shows her cart full of goodies all the time. So thanks for joining me. If you like this kind of content, please subscribe and share so we can grow and keep having fun. See you next time.